Ensure your service vehicle is parked in front of the equipment you are completing the PM on. Use safety cones to also secure the area, inside and outside. Determine if the dock is hydraulic or mechanical. Raise the dock and secure the dock in the open position with a dock safety stand. If the dock is hydraulic, locate the power source and lock off using the lockout-tagout procedure. Once the dock has been lock-o, test the push button to ensure power is locked off to the dock. Begin by inspecting all welds on the rear curb angle, lip hinge tube welds, and headboard welds. Inspect side weather seals for defects. Once all has been inspected on the top side of the dock, go outside and begin inspection on the underside of the dock for crack or broken. Inspect all welds, hinge tube, headboard, base frame. Inspect toe guards, butt beam, toe welds. Inspect all cylinders and hoses for any leaks. Inspect all pivot points for wear on pins. Inspect all mechanical parts, hold down, lip assist, float, spring, brake. Inspect dock bumpers for wear. Fill out a PM inspection report and note all deficiencies. Once the inspection has been completed, remove your loadow and cycle test the dock.